Hey guys, what's up? This is Krishna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this session I'm gonna show you how to unbox a 55-inch Android MI TV, right? And some basic review, right? Few days back I had uploaded a video on YouTube about how to install an app on Android TV. It was 32-inch and this is a 55-inch. So I would like to say this is a 55-inch, that's 138.8 centimeter. There was one earlier which was 140 centimeters. I think this is a second version. Not sure about it. Yeah, one warning I would like to give here is there's nothing like a seal. So 32-inch TV had a seal, so I had to cut it open. But here there was no seal. Anyone can unpack and repack and resell. Not sure whether they will do that. But anyway, when I check, it looked for me it's a new one, right? So lift the box up and remove this carton stuff. Yeah, they are climbing the slimmest Android TV. I believe so. It's very slim and it looks beautiful. Okay, so I had actually did a mistake. You have to lift the entire TV along with the plastic cover, but I removed only the TV. That's a mistake. Probably when you unbox, you should lift the box, I mean the TV along with the plastic cover. And this is a stand. It's very simple and I suggest you go for a wall mount. You have to buy that additionally and it's not included in the box. It may cost around 1500. This is a basic very simple table stand, right? Other one, right? So when you lift this TV, you have to lift it along with the plastic cover. There is a handle both the sides, so you need at least two people to lift this. Additional stuff, remote, adapter cable and screws for stand. So it's very slim and fragile. Read the instructions carefully before unboxing. There is a leaflet and they have clearly shown how to unbox this. Right? This is a wrong way because you have to lift the cover, the plastic cover along with the TV. See there is a handle. Right, it's very slim, looks beautiful. And backside there is a metal or plastic, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, according to them they say you have to keep it facing down and attach the stands, but I scared to do that and I did by putting it facing backside down. Okay, and very simple to attach the stands. There's only two screws. And of course you need a star screwdriver here, but of course flat also will work, but it's better if you have a star one.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಐತೆ ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡ ನಂಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ
Yeah, make sure that it's firm.
ಹಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂತೀಯ
Okay, do the same thing for the other side. Okay, here it is. It's huge.
ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಪವರ್
Yeah, first I tried with the cells which were actually used by some other TV remote, but it did not work.
20 minutes
I had to get a new set of cells for this remote because it has a Bluetooth. Definitely it requires a fresh and high voltage batteries.
ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಕ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಬಿಡ
Yeah, my remote has been paid
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ
and I'll connect to Wi-Fi.
ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಓಕೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಹಾಕು ಸಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸೂಪರ್
Right, and initially it updates few stuff, not sure what exactly, but what I noticed is it installed few apps automatically like YouTube, Hotstar, and so and so, but
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ
I did not install from my end. So you can check out my other video. I have explained how to install an Android app into Android TV, specifically MI TV. Right, this is up and running now. Okay folks, thanks for watching.